Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get free and unlimited AI voices. Let's go to the video.
Good morning. Ready to start your day?
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
First of all, you go to your browser, then search AI Studio and enter. Okay, now you can see first link and click it. Now you go to the Google AI Studio. Now you click generate media option. Then you click the Gemini speech generation option. Now you can see the first look of this tool. Then you can see the model option. I recommend the first option is good. After this we can see the mode option. First we talk about the single speaker audio mode. Okay, I click this single speaker mode. After that you can see the model settings. You can change the temperature, but I recommend the default. After that you can select voices when you want. You can test the sound and select what voice you like. You can test the sound by click this. After that you can input your prompt here. Then you want to make any prompts, you can use any AI tools like Grok, Gemini and other tools. Now I show you an example how we make the single voice narration from one single prompt with emotions. First of all, you need to open a new tab. Then you go to the search bar and search Gemini and the select first option in the result. Go to the Gemini and ask like this prompt. Then send it. Now AI is reply. Now you copy this prompt and go to the AI Studio. And paste it into a dialog box. Then click the run button. It takes some minutes to process.
Hi there! Look at all you guys! Hey, how was your day? And what exciting things you have planned?
This is the magic. This voice, like a real human voice.
First, click the multi-speaker audio now. You can see model settings, don't change it. Then you can see speaker 1, settings, you can change the name and voice.
Then you can change the speaker 2 settings as same. This voices are generated by this tool. When you want to add the script with dialogues, you can use the dialog box in the left corner.
You can add more dialogues with clicking the Add dialog. When you want to add more, it's not a problem because it hasn't any limits.
click the Run option to generate the voice narration.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Wow, this voices are amazing. So this is the easy way to make voice narrations. I think you really enjoy this video. This video is now end. When you get some knowledge about my video, please subscribe, like, and share.